Right, we have started with a chain test. In the previous session, we have seen how to integrate this chain test with TestNG. Today's class we will see Cucumber. Right, what is chain test? If anyone is directly watching this video, just to watch previous video also. Right, you will get how to integrate chain test with the extent report. Right. What is the just I am just high level I am going. Why extent report is deprecating? Because of the requirements increasing in the testing. Right. There are a lot of requirements are getting there, and they thought it would be better to start a new one and to create a robust one, more flexible one, so that they can in future also they can easily integrate any feature they want. Right, that's why, and also they have, I think, totally modified extent report and chain test, backend code also. Right. What is the advantage of it? It will provide a real-time analytics, historical data tracking. Right. Historical data means suppose I want previous regression, 1 month before regression data. Right. We can get it historical data. And also different, what is the advantage of this chain test? They have provided a LP server, chain LP server. What is the advantage of it is it will store different multiple projects, multiple teams. They can point to same server, they can store their reports there. Correct? One project they can store multiple projects or multiple teams. Right? Across organization they can store all their reports in one place in itself. Right? So that delivery manager, for delivery manager it is very easy to track multiple projects. Right? That is a good feature. Right, it will provide a Docker enabled setup, a multi-framework setup. Right, it is very easy to configure. Right, in previous session testing, we faced some issue. I got the issue. What is the issue that was? What is the issue? Right, if I create e-commerce project, it is not showing here after executing in the report. Why? I think there might be an issue because if I delete if I delete this project, suppose if I keep it the same name, and if I run it, it is not showing. Right, in the server, if you observe Docker, it is saying project not found. There may be some issue, maybe anyone raised this issue or not. We can also go on the Git repository officially. We can raise this defect also. Right, I think that is the one issue I observed. Right, we have to give, if you suppose delete the project, I think maybe we have to restart. I did not verify. Just if you get time, just restart it and verify whether it is working or not. Right, fine. Then today we will see integration with Cucumber. Right, whoever did not watch my first video, TestNG integration, please go and watch. Right, for Cucumber directly, what I am doing, I am downloading sample examples they have given, right? They have given JNet5, TestNG, Cucumber. So far, they have implemented for these three. They are continuing for remaining also. C#, .NET, other things also. For Java, these are the things I think they have for Java. These three are supporting. Right, then Right, I want to integrate with the Cucumber JVM. We can download this example. I have already downloaded, imported, Cucumber JVM example. Right, what are the things we need to? First step is in the POM file. Right, we can create the Maven project, and then first step is what we have to integrate. For Cucumber, we have to add Cucumber core, Cucumber Java, Cucumber plugin, Cucumber chain, right? Here, what is the important thing is this one, chain test Cucumber. Chain test Cucumber JVM, chain test Cucumber JVM. How to get it? We can go to Maven repository. If we type chain test, search it. Right, we can get this is chain test Cucumber JVM. For TestNG, we need to this one. For JNet5, this one. Cucumber JVM. For Cucumber, we need to use this. Right, versions they have created and the properties here. right? It will come from there, right? Then first step is this: we need to add Cucumber ChainTest Cucumber JVM, right? Version they have added what is 1.0.11 version, right? Second step, SRC test resources. We need to copy the properties, ChainTest properties. How to get those properties? From the Git repository, right? Official, right? ChainTest Git repository. We can go to official code here, right? Here, if we come down, right, a little bit down, here we can get, right? I will give in the right description section in the video. Just you can directly open URL and copy. Right? We can copy these things. Right? It will generate three types of reports. One is simple, one is email, one is chain LP. Right? Whichever we will keep it as a true, it will generate those reports. Right? Right? Chain LP, chain text simple, and chain email. Right? Here we can give the project name. Any name we can give. Right? Here we can give any name of the project. Right? First step is we in the POM file we have to add the dependency. Second step, chain test. You can create a simple your own right Cucumber project, or existing you can download it. My suggestion is just develop your own, so that right you will get more knowledge right away. If you get any issues, how to resolve, right, so that right you will get easy things. Right, the first thing is we have to in the POM file we have to add the dependency. Second step, SRC test resources. Under this folder we have to add chain tester properties, this file. Next, I want to log, right? I want to show some logs, right? Some logs on the report or screenshots on the, right? Right, for that, they have, right here simply they have, what they have created one, right? In the, under SRC test resources, we have calculator dot feature. They have one calculator simple thing, and then a library feature, right? A simple thing. Right, they have created a corresponding step definition classes. Corresponding given in the step definition classes. Hooks are there. Right, after hook is there. Right, then run hooks. So that this is the runner file. Right, here important thing is we need to enable this plugin. Otherwise, we will not see the reports. Right, we have to enable this plugin. com.advancedtalk.chaintest plugins chaintest cucumber legend. Right, just the remaining thing are common, everyone knows where the feature files are there, where the glue code is there. And glue code means step definition files. Right, just open it and then calculator just what they currently, right, they have not written explicitly any, right, explicitly any lines here. We will see how it will work. I think it will automatically take this Cucumber right feature files and it will show. Let me, we will verify that. Run as JUnit test. Run as JUnit test. Where to transfer two tests. At chain LP, okay, chain LP server, why it is running, I think, is it enabled here? Right, chain LP server is running, that's fine. First we will see, right, first we will see here where it will generate target folder. Right, under root directory, target folder, chain test, it will generate. Under resources, screenshots will generate. Currently, we don't have any screenshots, email and right, there is no web application currently. They have written a simple thing. Right, there is no web application. So just open this, open with system editor. Let's see, it will show right features, calculator. Right, under calculator, how many features we have. Right, under library. Right, under library we have three. All are pass. one is passed, which one failed, is showing, or what is the execution time. At each scenario, it is showing. Right, fine. On top, we have some symbols, I think system information, right, what is the right OS version, Java version, right, these things, and also here a chain test simple generator shortcuts, right, shortcuts are actual. Right, one more is email. One more is email report. Right, just here it is showing high level. Right, 7 test cases are passed, 7 test cases passed, 0 fail, 0 skip. How much time it took? Right, text at the rate calculator, at the rate library. I think they have given at the top of future files. So it has a test resources calculator. See at the rate calculator. They have given some tags, right? It is automatically taking those tags and showing here. Calculator four tags are there, library 3 are there. At these two. Now, right, if I want to see LP server, right, LP server, right, just I will stop the existing one. Right, what we need to do for this, right, Docker, we need to download the Docker. Right, that is a very simple. Just go to Google, right, Docker for whatever. If you are using Mac machine means Mac, Windows means Windows. Just click on the installation file. Click on the whichever version you are using, which Windows you are using. Just click on it. Most of them are 8664. Right, click on this. It will download the installable file. Just double click on it. It will open. That's it. Right, next up is see desktop. Here you will get like this. Otherwise you can search here Docker. Right, after installing, if you are unable to see it, search here, it will come. Just click on the open, it will open like this. It will start the Docker. It will start the Docker. Right, right, I got some issue. Suppose a Docker desktop while opening unexpected WSL windows, I got this issue. Suppose if you got this issue, right, just already this WSL will be installed in our Windows. Just update it, WSL -F. If you try to install, it will say already installed. Suppose update it, it will update to latest one, then restart the machine. Without restart, try once, open this Docker. If it is open, fine. Otherwise, restart the machine and open it. It will work. Once it is done, now we need to start the container, Docker container. Right. I want to store these reports in in the database. Right. For that, they have given steps. Right. What are the things? Either we can use H2 database, MySQL, PostgreSQL means internally it will create automatically. MySQL means we need to, I think we should have a SQL, MySQL file and post. Right, from where I can get these, first we need to download these files, Docker files. Right, in the project itself, I think we have those files. Example, somewhere I have. Okay, I will give that link. Right, I will give that link somewhere. Right, I something here. Let me open. Right here, I will copy this also. See Docker H2 MySQL. If you have a MySQL means you have to give that MySQL database details. Postgre details. H2 we don't require anything. It will internally it will create. Right, it will store. Right, in real time we will use either MySQL or PostgreSQL. For that we should know what are the database URL, username, password, those things. For now we will use H2. Download it, keep it somewhere. Just we can keep it anywhere. Right, I keep it in the previous project under SRC test resources Docker. I have copied here. We can copy anywhere. Right, just we need to go to this location. Right, I already in this position. We have to give this command. Right, here they have given in the git repository. Right, this we have to start this. If you want to download this image, the Docker image, right, it is just a Spring project. Right, what it will do whenever we will generate, it will listen the report and it will store in the H2 database. Right, every report it will generate after generating it will store it. See Tomcat internally I think it is using Tomcat server, some Spring Boot application, Tomcat with the Spring Boot application. Right, it is started. Right, how to verify whether it is started or not? Just we can give localhost. That's it. No need to give any port. Let's see currently. Right, I have this is the previous project I have. Right, it will show how many projects we can create multiple projects. Just we need to how to create multiple projects in the chain test property. Just we need to change the project name. That's it. Right, each project should have a unique one. Right, otherwise it will generate in same project. You will confuse. Right, for each project we can give different project namings in the chain test properties. And if you want to generate this real-time reports, right, enable true. Right, for the chain LP we have to enable. Already we have enabled simple and email. We have to enable this also true. Right, just we need to start the Docker and start the Docker. Right, this file. Right, by using the Docker command we can start the H2 Docker compose H2 YAML file. By using that we can start the server. Now execute it again. Right, execute the Cucumber file it again. Right, what is the name? Chain test Cucumber JVM example sum. It is there, right? Right, previous one is I already have. This is the TestNG file. Right, here one green means I ran only one time, one build only. Right, if you get multiple bars like this, that means multiple builds. Right, we'll see that. Right, see. After executing, we got this green bar. Green bar means all are passed. Right, just click on it. See, it is showing same report. Right, same report here. Suppose I execute it again. I execute it again. Right, now we have to see two bars here. Right, in the search, if you have a multiple projects, 10 projects are like that, we can search here. Right, we can also search feature also there. See, two bars are coming. Right, left side one is the latest one. Right, left side one is the latest. You can click on that bar, it will open. Right. Right, in the previously TestNG we have written our custom log. Right, how we have written, right, chain test listener dot log. Right, simple thing we will try here also. How it will work, we'll see. In the calculator test, right, calculator step, right, just uh, import it. Maybe here listener is different. Cucumber, chain test Cucumber listener. For TestNG it is a test listener, Cucumber listener. Maybe here what log also not there. Oh, chain test Cucumber listener. This is the listener. Right. Maybe is there any class or not? Chain test Cucumber listener. There is no log. There is no method, sir. I think in Cucumber it will maybe it will take care automatically that future file, right? And it will show. But I think I don't think they have given to add custom logs. Right, I don't think they have given. Alright, if anything, I will post in the next video if there is anything like this. Right, once we generate, we will get here bars for each build. Alright, it will store in the database whenever server is down. Also, if you restart it, it will get the from the database. We can show all the reports at one place. Right, previous builds, how many passed, what is the pass percentage, those things we can see here. We can click insights. Right, on the top we have right side insights. See build execution. Right, February 14 we have executed these things. So time taken, right, time taken comparison. Right, it is showing this the bank project. We can click on it, it will show. Right, this is the chain project. Right, newest to oldest. Right, here two bills we have executed, for bank only one. And we can also click on this on top, right, bank. Suppose if I click on this ChainTest Cucumber, right, it will show here. See, duration of the bills. Right, first build is what is the time, second build. Right, how many scenarios. Right, here it is showing clearly, right, in a build wise also. Right, right, it is a good thing. I think this one is okay. Just try from our side. Right, whatever you have observed, just comment it out. Whether it is a right best to migrate or any improvements still required, still going on there. I think they are implementing. I think they will improve a lot this one. Right, I think this historical feature was a very right good one. Right, I like this feature. Just if you like my way of teaching and right presentation, just subscribe to the channel, enable notification. Please comment it out and right. Press the bell icon and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.